and days of practice. And these two gentlemen have really honed their skills. It's always a thrill to have them perform wherever we go around the country. And smoke on for the break. We would call this the dirty fly pass, and that's because the gear and the tail flaps are hanging down, creating a lot of drag on the aircraft, which slows it down. Most of everything you see today, the maneuvers you see today, are not aerobatic, designed just for thrill. These are all copies of real military maneuvers. And this is where it gets really tight.
I see that helicopter's right there.
Keen focus. Landing gear lights on. And look at that. We call that right on the numbers. That looks like Ken McSpadden first in, and the second F-16, Michael Adams.
Holding your breath there.